Hey everyone, I'm Tobi and I'm a celebrity makeup artist based in New York City, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this Britney Spears Slave For You music video makeup at home. So now we're going to start on the eyes and we're going to begin by curling the lashes. So in the video, Britney had a really dark crease, an aqua turquoise eye. It was very strong, it had lots of black liner, so we're going to recreate that now. I'm just going to take this nice dark black charcoal matte eyeshadow and we're just going to pop that into the crease and begin this eye. Make sure you wing it out a little bit. So symmetry is really important this step. Now you want to get a fresh brush and just blend those edges. So the next step for the Britney Slave For You music video makeup look is to grab a turquoise metallic shade and a flat brush and just tap off the excess, and you're going to place that on the center of the lid, all over the lid actually. Go hard with this. This is like the key part of the look. Just don't take it too high into the crease. So now that you've got the metallic turquoise on, you're going to come back in with the charcoal shade and you're just going to go into that crease a little bit just so those outer edges are really defined. The next step is to grab a clean fluffy brush and you're just going to blend out any edges. Another key part to this look was the really strong highlight in the brow bone. So I'm just taking a nice champagne-y shade and I'm dusting this into all of that space that's under the brow bone. When it hits the light, you really want it to pop. So a key part to this look was the black liner that really defined Britney's eyes. So I'm just going to take a black kohl pencil and I'm going to apply that to the inner waterline. And you're also going to take that to the upper lash line very thinly. You want to make sure the whole eye is defined. Now for the hard part, you're actually going to line your upper waterline so you can hold it like this. Want your eyes to be as defined as can be. Really comes together once you get this part done. So now it's time for mascara. We've already curled the lashes and I'm going to take my mascara and I'm going to do nice, bold, black, voluminous lashes. So there we have it. The finished look. Woo! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this Britney Spears Slave For You makeup tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and follow me over at Tobi Makeup on Instagram.